about the road. I love it. I love it, bro.
They did a great job on this, didn't they?
Oh, dude, amazing, bro. Wow.
Para jugar con el teléfono.
Tell me a little bit about the truck, bro.
The truck, I mean, I've owned it for 15 years now.
15 years.
Yeah, I mean, not the way you see it, obviously, but.
What year is it?
53.
1953.
Yeah. I bought it out of North Carolina.
And you brought it down.
Oh, I had a trailer down over there. Car
Daddy,
carrier.
you bought it out of North Carolina?
Straight six, 3-speed in the column. The thing was, I bought it, I was just married. I didn't have any kids when I took it to a body shop. It had like little rust spots in there I wanted to fix. But the truck just sat there.
Really?
The body shop, yeah.
How long it took you to get it like this?
Yeah, like this. The last 4 years I've been working on it. I mean, not consistently, but I went to school with Yari, custom, and he helped me build the truck. So.
Tell me a little bit about the engine. Let's walk over there.
The 327, small block, 700 trans. Has 308 gears in it, Camaro rim. It's just a basic small block, nothing fancy. I just want to be different from everybody. Everybody has an LS, something like that.
Exactly. What type of suspension are you running in it?
Actually, it's on an S10 frame, and I have the Accuair suspension on it with the E-level and stuff.
E-level, so that's the latest one model that they have. The later ones.
Well, E-level, yeah, I have E-level, but now they have the Evo, which is built-in compressors inside the tank.
Can you show me the inside?
Yeah, sure.
Wow, bro, this thing is nice.
I mean, the dash to the truck is not the original dash. It's actually a car dash, a 52 Chevy car dash.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because the original one that I had on the truck was kind of rusted out. I didn't want to fix it, so I just went ahead and bought a car dash. Like I said, I wanted to be different from everybody else.
Of course. No, the car looks really nice. It's one of the best ones here, let me tell you. I really like it.
The seat pan's been cut, so it's lower.
Tell me a little bit about the bed.
Frames, you redid the framework for the bed. The wood I bought off Mark A. And then the staining was out of Glitz, Tropical Glitz, Manny.
Wow.
He's the one that stained the wood. Cleared it.
That looks very nice, man.
I said your real did the suspension on it. So it has Accuair, like you see here. The tank, these trucks normally bring the tank inside the cab.
This is the gas tank.
That's the gas tank, yeah. But normally, back in the days, they would bring it inside the actual cab. I still left the nozzle out there, so you see.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Awesome. So
I just wanted the truck to look very correct, but I wanted the whole thing, modern,
very nice. Very, very nice, man. Very nice job. You have the compressors over there.
Yeah, the compressor. You got the two compressors, you got the tank, and then you have the Accuair.
Awesome, brother.
The truck is done right, you know what I'm saying? But the only thing I would have wished I would have done is put a motor in it. That's what I should have done. But I started building the truck with a motor first.
Put a bigger motor.
I already had the motor ready before I bought the truck. So I had the motor, started putting on the pulleys and all that shit, but it'll build. What I should have done was just a motor, LS motor, and turnkey. You get in and go, you know what I'm saying?
Claro, claro,
No,
claro.
the carburetor.
What's the one thing that you like the most about the car?
Most the attention the car gets.
The attention.
Yeah. Amazing, bro.
Let's do a quick walk around. What year is it?
It's a 1950 Chevy
Okay.
business coupe. I bought it about 10 years ago. Car came from North Carolina. We did the air suspension on it here, full mop steels, repainted the roof silver with flakes, redid the interior, and painted the bottom of the car black again.
Awesome. The car looks amazing. What engine are you running in? Is it the original one?
No, it has a small block of 350, a mild cam, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb, straight exhaust with Flowmasters, disc brakes, booster, has everything pretty much modern to drive in the highway.
How about the suspension?
It has Accuair suspension on it,
E-level.
E-level on it.
Oh, the interior looks really nice.
So it has vintage air, so it has AC. So pretty much you can enjoy it, you know, here in the hot Florida days.
Nice. What would you say is your favorite thing about the car?
Man, it's super comfortable to drive. It's like sitting on the couch when you drive it. Like I said, it's one of my favorite cars.
Awesome, brother. And you were mentioning to me that you have other cars.
Right.
What else do you have?
I have a 66 Mustang fastback, a 64 Riviera,
Nice.
Volkswagen single cab bus, 93 Mustang.
Really, I would like to see those. I would like to see those. We gotta get together and put a video together.
Yeah.
You wanna mention your Instagram so that if people want to follow you and see the cars that you have, they can do that?
Yeah.
What is it?
My Instagram is oeddy. It's O_EDDY.
EDDY, got it. So follow Eddie if you want to see some of the cars that he has. And make sure to like this video.